Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You already formatted the spreadsheet and saved it as an XLSX. Now connect it. First, close Excel to prevent a lock. In Bartender, open your label file or create a new one, then go to File, right arrow Database Connection Setup. Choose Add New Connection and pick Microsoft Excel. Once done, browse to your saved XLSX, select the worksheet or named range, and click Next. Make sure you select the correct header row so Bartender reads field names, not data. You have the connection. Now map data to your label objects. Choose the table and confirm the header row so column names appear. For each text or barcode object, click Data Source, right arrow Database field and pick the corresponding Excel column. If you need serialization, use a database field with formatting. Once mapped, use Preview mode and the Record Navigator to step through rows and check formatting. If records look off, return to Mapping and swap fields until the label displays data correctly. Finish by setting print quantity and choosing which records to print. You can filter or select specific rows. Save the label template so the connection persists. If you automate, configure Print Server or Bartender Integration Builder as needed. Before printing, run a final preview and print one test label. If the link fails, make sure Excel is closed, then reopen Database Connection Setup and refresh or reselect the XLSX. That simple refresh often resolves file lock or path change issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.